Hi everyone, welcome to another Miroverse template video. In today's video, we'll take a look at a Miroverse template that I made called Personal Development Flight to Success. Now, this template is for your professional development. It focuses on your professional development goals or career goals. I'll link the template down in the description below. But just to quickly breeze through this one, this is the page, and the description of how to use the template is written just below this template, which we'll get to, which we'll go through together. And then you have a few buttons over here. You have a like button, share button, and then also a use template button, which will copy this template to your Miro board. Now the template itself, once you copy it across, you'll get something like this. And if I just zoom in a bit, so the blank template looks something like this. And then what you have here is a little runway and then four priority swim lanes. And then of course another runway over here. And if you read through these notes, you'll get an idea of what it is about. But if I just use this template, if I use this example that is in this template to walk you guys through it, it would be something like this. So the idea is to have or to prioritize your top four career goals, top four professional goals, and then just write it down over here. So these in the first column, that's your top four goals, priority 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then in each of those lanes, you would add subtasks or tasks that would help you accomplish that goal. Now you'll do that for all of the four priority goals, and then you will start working on the top most priority item. Now, as you can see over here, we have striked through some of these, which means that it has just been completed. And similarly, we have striked through some of these tasks, which has been completed. Now, what you might notice that while you're completing these tasks for that helps you achieve the goal, you might have a certain task which is just waiting, which is not really in your hands, and that can be almost put in autopilot mode, and that's where you can just move this sticker around. So I've created this sticker, a nice little plane over here, which you can just move it around to indicate that this is now an autopilot. It's not complete. The goal is not complete, but it's now waiting for some results. And then you can move on to the priority number 3 goal, or whatever the next goal is. Now, there are obviously no bad ideas, but there's always a space to put some or to park some ideas that didn't make into the top 4 of your priority list. And then over here, if you go down the runway in this luggage vehicle, you have a parking space where you have some other ideas that you could also consider it as your professional or your personal development or your professional development goals, or your career goals, but it just didn't make it to the top 4. And that's where you would put them. So give this template a spin and let me know if this is helpful and what do you think about it. Again, you can just click on this button or even this drop down here to either use this template into a new board or even copy this template into an existing board. And once again, the link for this board will be available in the description of this video. So that's all for this video. Personal development flight to success. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and do like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And of course, see you in another video some other time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.